Hello everyone, welcome back once again in this video. In this video I am going to discuss one another industrial training vacancy for CMA interqualified student. As you can see over the screen, the vacancy is in Bharat Electronic Limited, a Government of India enterprises. This company comes under the Ministry of Defence, right? So without further delay, I am going to discuss the major things which need to require before applying. As you can see, management training post name, and here is a temporary basis 1 year, and it may be extendable up to 2 years if required, right? So location would be your Nandambakkam, Chennai, right? And we are having 3 vacancy. That means 3 number of vacancy is available, and those student is selected have to work under 100% SAP environment. That is a best thing which you need to good exposure in SAP. And here another thing, general terms and condition, like a candidate should have intermediate qualified from ICMA, that means a CMA inter, and a selected candidate work as a management training for 1 year under the finance and account department of our company. Okay, so consolidated stipend would be your 18,000. That is also a good. And those student is interested to apply for this vacancy have to send their CV by 16th of January 2024. Email address I already highlighted here. You can note down and send your CV. Okay, so I also put this PDF in the description. You can also download from there and read yourself too. And don't forget to subscribe for such types of industrial training update in this channel. Thank you for watching this video.